All right, we're starting on page 273. You should have done 1, 2, 3, and 4 yesterday. We're starting at number 5, so I apologize now because the formatting of this packet got really screwed up. So 5 starts at the end of page 2. Okay, Patel brought a model rocket kit from a catalog. The price of the kit was $124.95. The state, and then we have to go to the next page. The state tax was 7% was added, then the $10 shipping and charge was added after the sales tax. What is the total amount Patel paid, including the shipping cost? So, just one thing, let's remember that the price was $124.95. So let's type that in just so I remember. It would have helped if Mr. L would have formatted this, and would have been nice and easy. All right. So the first thing that we need to remember is this is a percentage problem. So I want you guys, again, I try to ingrain this into you guys that we should be thinking part equals percent times whole amount. Okay? Now, what's going on here is our part is missing. Okay? So that's missing. That's the sales tax. P is missing. So we'll make that the part is missing. We'll make that X. Percent, well, that's given to us. That equals 7%. And the whole is $124.95. All right. Now, again, the $10 is not part of this. Why? Because it's calculated after the sales tax. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to use our part equals percent times whole amount. Our part is X. Our percent is 7%. And we're going to multiply that times 124.95. All right, and we grab our calculator. Now the part is missing, so that means we multiply. If you kind of remember that anchor chart from way back when we had percentages, when the part was missing, we multiplied. When your whole amount or the percentage is missing, that's when you divide. Okay, so here we go. And again, if you're using a smartphone, if you put it, or even the iPhones, put the, and don't have the scientific calculator, put it on its side. Okay, and so you get a fuller screen, so then you should see the percentage. Or else you're going to have to convert that to a percentage. Convert that percentage to a decimal. Okay, remember moving the decimal 2 places. So this would be the same as 0.07. Okay, but if you have the percentage key, you don't need to do that. Okay, just want to make sure that you guys know that. When I do that, I end up with 8.7465. All right, that is the sales tax. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now add it. So now what I'm going to calculate is the total with tax. And that is 124.95 plus 8.75. Now this is where you sit there and you should be saying, wait a minute, Mr. L, where'd you get 8.75 from? Well, remember, we are talking about money, right? Money. And remember, when we're talking about money, we are only having 2 numbers after the decimal. Okay, only 2 numbers after the decimal. So I took this 8.745 and I rounded. Remember, I'm sorry. Oh, shoot, sorry. What did I do here? Let's see. Let me get that back. There we go. Okay. Remember, when you round, you cut off. You cut off where you want to round to. You look at the number after. If it's 5 or above, give it a shove. Okay, so that's how I got my 875. Now, what is my answer here? 133.70. So let me get back to my typing abilities. 133.70. Okay, and so that's nice. All right. However, one more step here, because remember, after the sales tax is when we add the shipping. Okay, so we take this 133.70, and we're gonna add $10 to that. And so our answer is going to be 143.70. Okay, and then of course the dollar sign is there, so I don't even need to write it. So my answer is $143.70. All right, so you're going to finish this problem. Patel received an allowance. And work on number 6. Again, apologies. It starts right here, but then the actual question is on the next page. Okay, see that? I'm going to work on number 7. Number 8. Again, apologies. It starts on the bottom of the page. All right. Pier. By the way, if you don't know what a pier is, it's like a cement block, like a path almost out into the water. If you look at if you go to the lake and like you can walk on this like big concrete blocks, that's almost kind of like a pier where they can tie boats and things like that off of it. Um, but anyway, so you're gonna work on then 8 as well, and then stopping right here. We'll start with 7G4 tomorrow, okay? But we're going to stop with number 8 here. So today is all show your work, okay? Everything is showing your work time, all right? So again, that is for Module 4, working on percentages.